So at this point, you're done on the Borescope. You can actually log into InspectionWorks on an internet browser and view your inspection. So on a browser window, go to InspectionWorks.com. You can click Try It Now, click Sign In, and here you'll do the same sign-in process that you did on the Borescope earlier. From here, you'll be prompted to enter your account name. Again, this is the same account name that you used to sign in on the Borescope. This is the account where your data was pushed. So once you sign in, you'll see the dashboard. If you want to view your inspection, on the left-hand menu, click on Insight. That's the third option. And here you'll see a list of your inspections. So here's that CFM56 inspection that I just did on my device, and then there's another inspection that I uploaded previously. If I click on this inspection that I just performed, you can see that all the data has been pushed. So on the left-hand side, you'll see that same MDI structure that I had on the device, and I can actually drill down and look at all of those subnodes that we saw on the device. And on the right, in each section, you see the two images that I took in the combustor. It shows the inspection point. So here's the module and the observation, so the crack and the dent that I saw. And when I saved my images with flags, those flags carried over as well.